Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a thematic birthday discounts or thematic birthday emails on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just head over in here on our new tab and then search in here for apps.shopify.com. Now this right here will direct you to the Shopify App Store. So just head over and click on this search bar right here. And then from in here, just search in here for happy birthday. So let's search for that right here. And then once you have searched for that, head over and then search for this. So you should be able to see this one right here. So we have here this happy birthday marketing, happy birthday by Union right here. So for example, what you can do is you can head over and then just install this happy birthday marketing. So this offer birthday discounts and boost revenue with email marketing. So head over and install this app. It's totally free right here. So click on install right here. And then from in there, it will open a new tab that will ask us for access in order to successfully integrate this to your Shopify dashboard. So just head over and click on this install button, and then this will install this app. Now this is what the dashboard of the app look like. You need to set this up. So we need to turn on the order status page birthday sign up block. So head over and click on this turn on right here. And then it's been done. So you can put in your discount percent for their birthday. So next thing you need to do is you need to turn on birthday emails. So head over and click on that. And as you can see, the 2 tasks has been completed. So head over and click on this manage birthday sign up. And then this right here will actually ask you to turn this on, and it's been turned on. So they can input their birthday through this format. You can put in here the heading, which says sign up for birthday discounts. And then you can put in here description. You can actually just edit it out. Just put in here everything. And you can also edit out the button text as well as the confirmation. So in here, you can also see in here the post-purchase page. Now you can turn that on as well. So let's turn that on. And then as you can see, it's been added. So you need to activate this to your Shopify checkout settings post-purchase. So head over and to click on this in order to see the activation page for the checkout. And you can also put in here a sign up for the landing page that you have. You just need to put this code right here on your landing page. So let's head back on the order status page and you can preview this birthday sign up block. So this is what it looks like right here. You can sign up for them. And then you can just head over and then get this one. So let's head back again to our dashboard. And in here you can see the birthday email settings. So head over and click on this one. And then you can put in here the discount code, first name, the percent they have right here. You can also set a discount end date. So let's put this days before it discounts is 7 day or 1 week. And this is an email from my store. So you can also put in here your name. You can also put in here the email CC, as well as the email subject, the title, the heading, and then the body right here. We have a birthday discount for you. You can also put in here the birthday text, as well as unsubscribe. So let's see what it will look like. Let's preview this. And the email will look like this right here. As you can see, this is the code. This is the header email. And as you can see, this is the Shop Now button. So you can set out a test email if you want to as well. Now, whenever someone signs up on your birthday marketing, they will receive a code from your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.